Today I will talk about how can you watch movie on your Prime Video app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first to watch your movie or any movie on your Prime Video. I'm going to select here any movie you want to watch. I'm going to click here on this movie here. So when you just click on it, it's going to show for you like this here. Click here on watch with Prime here. Search for 7 day free. So just click on it here. Then it's going to show for you like this. So then you click here on start your free here. So then just switching to open with you. In here add your credit or debit card. It is going to give you 7 days free trial. Then it's going to automatically to take you to watch this movie here on your Prime Video app. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.